Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Express Cargo. The Chevy Express Cargo van is ready to handle all of your work tools, carpooling to work, or running the kids to soccer. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, traction control, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.